Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Eddie of the Manyo Show. Changing things up a little bit here. You know, we're all about celebrating the good life. So, you know, a lot of my videos focus on the law of attraction, this and that. But you know what? Celebrating the good life is so important. And, you know, celebrating your wins. And you know, I haven't really been into the shoe game. I've been just looking more for comfort. I've been rocking my Ultra Boosts. I've been rocking my Vans. Nothing too crazy, nothing too fancy. You know, I do have a couple Yeezys, but you know, I don't really rock those as much either. Old school shoe heads would definitely recognize this. It's the early Jordan retro box from the early 2000s. You know, I found a deal on OfferUp. The deal was too good to pass up, and let's check these out. So as you can see, the box is pretty beat, but you know, I don't really care. They came with the retro card. Number 1, Jordan 1s. They didn't come with a keychain though. That was kind of a bummer, but hey, whatever, no big deal. 2001 black and royal Jordan 1s. For the most part, they're in pretty good condition. Now, I did get a pair of these Jordan 1s when they first retroed back in 01. I ended up getting the white, navy, and silver pair. I was kicking myself because I didn't buy the Breads or these Royals. Almost 20 years later, I finally caught them. You can see some creasing on the toes. There's the logo. Sorry if the lighting isn't that great. You can see the nubuck swoosh. God, I love these shoes. Seriously, could rock these with anything. But one thing I was really concerned about is the bottoms. So if anyone has these and if anyone's crazy enough to rock these, you know, leave a comment down below. Let me know. Are these supposed to be this squishy? That's probably the only thing holding me back from wearing these. I mean, I really feel like the sole is pretty secure, but that really caught me by surprise. I would not think that these bottoms would be like this. But yeah, leave a comment down below. Let me know if that's typical, and if it's normal, that's fine. I'm really not gonna wear these that much anyways. I really don't mind just holding on to these, or possibly selling them in the future, who knows. I guess it depends what comes up, or I guess how desperate I get. But that's pretty much it, guys. You know, thank you so much for watching. You know, feel free to leave any comments down below. Just say hi. Make sure you like this video, and definitely consider subscribing to the Manyo Show. You know, we're all about sharing the good life, celebrating life, and manifesting our dreams. Thank you so much, you guys. Take care. I'm out.